Hi, I am Marian, a Statistic 1 student from the Department of Statistics, and today I would like to discuss to you about the image file formats. So, what is an image file format? These are the standardized means of organizing and storing digital images. An image file format may store data in an uncompressed format, a compressed format, or a vector format. There are two types of image files, the raster and the vector file format. A raster image file is a rectangular array of regularly sampled values, known as pixels, while vector files are images that are built by mathematical formulas that establish points on a grid. So we have here some common formats of raster image files. One is the BMP or bitmap image file. It is an image file format developed and used in Microsoft Windows environment and a method by which a display space such as a graphics image file is defined, including the color of each of its pixels or bits, which has the file extension of .bmp or .dib. Second, a GIF or graphic interchange format is a lossless format for image files that supports both animated and static images. It was the standard for 8-bit color images on the internet until PNG became a viable alternative. You may have seen them used often in email signatures. Animated GIFs are several images or frames combined into a single file. Next is the JPEG or Joint Photographic Experts. Image format is currently the most widely used lossy compression format for still images. JPG as well as JPEG are the same. They are both commonly used for photographs or derived from camera raw images format. Next is the PNG or Portable Graphics format. Is a popular bitmap image format on the internet. This format was created as an alternative of graphics interchange format. This format has some great features like containing 24-bit RGB color palettes, grayscale images, and displaying transparent backgrounds. We also have here the PSD file format, which stands for Photoshop Document, which is an image format that supports layers of graphics in a single file. It is mostly used for working with layers of graphics and saving the projects that can extend up to 2 GB in file size. Here are some raster image file examples for bitmap, GIF, JPG, PNG, and PSD. To vector image files, and we have here some of its common format. Adobe Illustrator file or .ai. AI is a graphics file format created by Adobe systems. AI files are vector-based graphics contained in a single page in which you can create paths and lines connected by points instead of bitmaps, which may include objects, color, and text. The content of AI file can be used widely because the graphics retains their details at maximum zoom level. Next is we have the drawing file or the DRW. The DRW file extension is used for a vector graphics file format which is supported by many applications, also classified as image files. These DRW files contain digital drawings and vector images that uses lines or paths to represent images. Next, the vector file format is we have the AutoCAD DXF, or the Drawing Interchange Format or Drawing Exchange Format. Is a CAD data file format developed by Autodesk for enabling data interoperability between AutoCAD and other programs. Many engineers, designers, and architects use the DXF file format for 2D and 3D drawings during product design. Next is we have the Adobe PostScript, or the PS. File format was developed by Adobe in 1982. This PostScript file format is widely used by publishers primarily for printing purposes. PS files contain text and images on the same page. The image format is actually a programming language within graphic contents. Last example for vector file format is the SVG, or the Scalable Vector Graphics. It is an XML-based vector image format for two-dimensional graphics with support for interactivity and animation. The SVG specification is an open standard developed by the World Wide Web Consortium, or the W3C, since 1999. Here are some vector image file format example for Adobe Illustrator, Drawing Exchange Format, PostScript, and Scalable Vector Graphics files. And that ends my discussion into image file format. Thank you for listening. God bless us all. Special thanks to all the people who made and released these awesome resources for free. We credit the Slides Carnival for the presentation template and Unsplash for photographs.